Welcome to an overview of hormone replacement therapy. In this presentation, we'll explore what HRT is, why it's used, and the balance between potential benefits and risks. As you can see from the cover image suggesting a clinical discussion, our goal is to give clear, practical insights so patients and providers can make informed decisions together. This slide outlines the structure of our talk, starting with an introduction to HRT and moving through benefits, risks, eligibility, special populations, and recent advances. We'll also cover practical guidance, legal and ethical issues, and future perspectives, so you'll have a complete roadmap to understand therapy options and considerations.
Here we define HRT and its core purpose: replacing hormones the body no longer produces enough of to relieve symptoms and improve quality of life. Typical candidates include menopausal people, those with hormone imbalances, and individuals with specific medical needs, and we'll explain how treatment aims to restore balance while managing safety.
This timeline highlights how HRT has evolved from early 20th century extraction methods to modern targeted delivery systems, with major breakthroughs in synthetic hormones shaping safety and applications. Recognizing this history helps explain why current practice emphasizes precision dosing, improved formulations, and ongoing research into safer, more effective therapies. This slide reviews different HRT types and how they're given. Common forms include estrogen, testosterone, and combined regimens, delivered as pills, patches, gels, or injections. Choice depends on symptoms, patient health profiles, and lifestyle. And the picture reminds us that laboratory testing and careful selection are key to choosing the right approach. Hormone imbalances often underlie symptoms like hot flashes, fatigue, mood changes, or thyroid-related issues, and HRT targets those specific hormone deficiencies. The pyramid graphic suggests prioritizing diagnosis and symptom correlation, emphasizing that treatment is most effective when tailored to the individual hormonal patterns driving the patient's complaints. HRT can bring meaningful relief for menopausal symptoms, reducing hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings, while improving daily functioning and long-term bone and cardiovascular support in some patients. The images on this slide reflect symptom relief and quality of life improvements, but we'll also consider how benefits must be weighed against potential risks.
When we look at cardiovascular effects, the picture is nuanced. HRT may reduce certain heart disease risks in some groups, while potentially increasing clotting risk in others. Age, dose, and timing matter a lot, and recent studies show mixed results, so personalized assessment and careful monitoring are essential for cardiovascular safety.
Hormones influence brain function, and HRT can affect memory, cognition, and mood. For many patients, it reduces symptoms of depression and anxiety, and may support cognitive performance, but effects depend on timing, formulation, and individual risk factors. The slide image evokes molecular action hormones, modulate neurotransmitters, and neuroplasticity, which helps explain these effects. Common side effects early in therapy include weight changes, breast tenderness, and light spotting, and most are mild and manageable. Frequency varies by formulation and patient, and lifestyle adjustments plus medical guidance usually control symptoms. The chart here emphasizes that while side effects are common, many can be anticipated and addressed with monitoring. Alongside mild effects, HRT carries more serious risks for some people, including increased chances of blood clots, certain cancers, and stroke. Epidemiological data have helped clarify these hazards and highlight the importance of careful patient selection. This slide underlines that risk assessment is critical before initiation and throughout therapy.
Before starting HRT, clinicians screen for conditions that prohibit use, such as active breast cancer or clotting disorders, and conduct comprehensive protocols to assess readiness. A patient's medical history often guides decisions, and the pyramid graphic reminds us that screening and history taking are simple but powerful tools for safe therapy planning.
Effective monitoring and side effect management rely on routine checkups, blood tests, and willingness to adjust doses or schedules based on response. Educating patients to recognize symptoms for timely reporting completes the loop, And the 3 image sections on this slide reflect regular testing, dose adjustment, and symptom awareness as pillars of safe practice. Identifying candidates for HRT requires considering age groups, menopausal status, and specific needs like transgender therapy. Treatment differs for middle-aged adults, postmenopausal people, and those pursuing gender-affirming care, so the timeline visual underscores that selection and tailoring must reflect individual goals, risks, and expected outcomes. A comprehensive evaluation includes reviewing the patient's medical history, performing lab tests to measure hormone levels, assessing cardiovascular and cancer risks, and applying decision criteria to determine suitability. The flow visual shows how information is gathered and synthesized, so clinicians can make informed, evidence-based choices about whether and how to proceed. Personalized treatment planning is essential. Dose and formulation are selected based on individual needs. Therapy is tailored to daily life and preferences, and shared decision-making between patient and provider ensures alignment with goals. The photos imply laboratory precision and patient-centered care, which together improve adherence and therapeutic success. Follow-up procedures focus on routine monitoring to track progress, clearly defined criteria to decide continuation or modification of therapy, and plans for safe discontinuation if needed. The timeline here shows that follow-up is not optional but a continuous process to optimize benefits and manage withdrawal or side effects when treatment changes occur. When treating postmenopausal women, benefits include symptom relief and bone health support, but challenges like cardiovascular risk must be managed and protocols adjusted with age. Medication interactions also influence safety and effectiveness, so the circular graphic stresses the need for ongoing assessment and individualized dosing in this population. For cancer survivors, HRT decisions balance symptom relief against potential recurrence risk, and treatment plans must be customized with oncology consultation. Close collaboration with cancer specialists helps ensure safer use and informed choices, especially when weighing quality of life gains against any possible oncologic concerns. Pediatric hormone therapy is used for conditions like delayed puberty and gender dysphoria, and it requires careful ethical consideration and safety monitoring. Long-term effects on growth and development must be evaluated, and this slide cycle graphic highlights the need for ongoing reassessment and multidisciplinary care for younger patients. New hormone delivery technologies, such as advanced patches and implants, offer controlled release and can improve adherence and consistency of hormone levels. These innovations tend to reduce side effects and simplify dosing, and the boxed images underscore how technology is shaping safer, more convenient treatment options for patients. Bioidentical hormones are claimed to mimic natural hormones and offer safer therapy, but evidence is mixed and regulatory oversight varies. Scientific debate continues about their effectiveness and standardization, and the slide reminds us to scrutinize claims and rely on validated data when considering these formulations for treatment. Combination therapies and adjunct treatments can enhance outcomes by integrating HRT with other medications or supplements, but careful monitoring is needed to manage polypharmacy risks. The process visual illustrates how combining approaches thoughtfully can maximize benefit while minimizing interactions and adverse effects through coordinated care. Dosage and administration best practices recommend starting low and adjusting gradually, choosing optimal timing or combination strategies for effect, and using adherence supports like reminders and education. The road-shaped layout emphasizes that dosing is a guided journey, where gradual changes and clear strategies improve both safety and long-term compliance. Managing expectations means setting realistic timelines for symptom improvement, knowing when to seek medical advice if side effects arise, and tracking response and safety over time. The world map graphic suggests broader trends, but clinically, the takeaway is clear. Patients should expect gradual progress and maintain close communication with their care team. Legal and ethical issues include ensuring informed consent and respecting patient autonomy, addressing ethics of off-label use, and understanding provider liability when prescribing hormones. The images here reflect lab and clinical care, and they remind providers to document discussions thoroughly and prioritize patient rights and safety. when making treatment decisions. Insurance coverage for HRT varies widely, creating access barriers related to cost and availability that can affect adherence and outcomes. Solutions like policy reform, subsidies, and clearer reimbursement guidelines are important to improve access, and this slide highlights how coverage variability directly influences who can realistically receive treatment. The key takeaways are that HRT can relieve symptoms, but requires careful evaluation of benefits and risks, tailoring to individual patient profiles, and a patient-centered approach. The overlapping circles illustrate that personalized plans, risk awareness, and shared decision-making together produce the best results for safety and quality of life. Looking ahead, there are gaps in knowledge and practice that create opportunities for improved therapies, protocols, and education. Ongoing research and clinician training will be crucial to close these gaps and optimize outcomes. The pyramid graphic underscores that investment in research and education supports safer, more effective hormone therapy for future patients. Finally, the vision for hormone therapy in modern medicine is one of integrated, holistic care that balances hormones to support overall health, combines effectively with other treatments, and evolves with personalized, precise technologies. The circular arrows emphasize continuous improvement, collaboration, and a future focused on safer, more effective hormone healthcare solutions.